Good morning, boys and girls. I'm so excited to be back for day 4 of learning about the ah sound in phonics. Remember, you're going to need something to write with, so go get something different than you wrote with yesterday, but it could be the same as the day before. Pencil, piece of paper. If you're outside with a tablet, you could do it with sidewalk chalk. If you have a chalkboard, you could use that. A dry erase marker and board, any of those things. So pause it and go get something to write with. All right, for our last day, we're going to work on stars. Which would be the medial star? Would it be this one? Nope, because there's nothing before it and there's 4 after it. Could it be this star? No, there's 1 on this side and 3 on this side, so that's not going to work. Let's try the 3rd star, this star. There's 2 stars to the left and 2 stars to the right. Could that be our medial one? Yes. This is our medial one, and so you would put a check mark on there. Okay, now let's go talk some more about some medial sounds. I want you to say the word lost. Lost. If we change the ah to ah, what word would you get? Last. You're right, last. All right, now we're going to try some other words. So I'm going to switch screens for a minute. And the word is will. Will. If we change the I to ah, what word would we get? Wall. Let's try another one. This word, say the word talk. Talk. Change the ah to a, what word would you get? Take. Very good. Say the word whole. Whole. If you change the O to ah, what word would you get? Haul. Haul. Say the word tall. Tall. If you change the ah to eh, what word would you get? Tell. Tell. Say tell. If you change the eh to I, what word will you get? Till. All right, say till. If you change say till. If you change the I to O, word would you get? Toll. Toll. Say toll. Change the O to ale, what word would you get? Tail. Tail. Change the A to I, what word would you get? Tile. Good job. Look at that. We had 6 words right there just from tall. All right, let's try another one, which is going to take us to lots of other words. Say the word lawn. Lawn. Change the ah to a, and what word would you get? Lane. Say lane. Change the a to e, what word would you get? Lean. Lean. Lean means skinny. Say lean. Change the E to O. What word would you get? Loan. Loan. Change the O to oo. What word would you get? Loon. Loon. All right, here's an even bigger one. Are you ready for this one? Say bet. Bet. Change the eh to ah. What word will you get? Bat. Change the ah to I. What word will you get? Bit. Say bit. If you change the I to what word will you get? But. Say but. If you change the to a, what word will you get? Bait. Say bait. If you change the A to E, what word will you get? Beat. Beat. Say beat. Change the E to O, what word will you get? Boat. Boat. Let me change this font back to where it needs to be. All right. Say bait. Say boat. Boat. If you change the O to ah, what word will you get? Bought. Very good. So we just wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words we spelled and did the sounds. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, let's move on to hearing more of our sounds and seeing the spelling pattern. Say the word chalk with me. Ready? Ch-a-k, chalk. Let's make that a little bigger. All right, now let's do this one in the sounds. K, ah, silent letters. T, caught. All right, and then the next one, r, ong, wrong. Squawk, squawk. Very good. And we see some different spelling patterns there. We see the A-L for aw, A-U for aw, O for aw, and then an A-W for aw. So lots of different ways to spell aw. All right, now I want you to think back to yesterday. We wrote some words. We wrote the words bought and cause. I want you to pause the video and write the word bought and write the word cause. And we'll see if you spelled them the same way I spelled them. All right, are you ready? Here's the word bought. B, make sure it's going the right way. O-U-G-H, bought. Yep, it's going to have a T there. All right, and our next one we did was cause. Cause. C-A-U-S, and then a silent E. Did you get them right? Boy, I hope so. All right, let's do our story one more time. Let me figure out which tab it is. It's right here. And we're going to do Meet Us All. Ready? I need you to read that to me. Remember, this is Paul. Here's a dog. This is Gramp. Here is Mom. Now we have Gran. This is her sister Dawn, his sister Dawn. This is the boy named Sean. All right, good job reading, boys and girls. All right, let's go back to some sight word review. All right, so we've got a band. We've got to match the girl pink word to the boy rocker word. So here's the word here. Where's the other one? Can you find it? Is this it here? Very good. All right, this word is home. This word is home. What? Home. Let's try that again. H-O-M-E. H-O-M-E. Oh yeah, that's not the word home. Let's look again. See, you can't just click any word that starts with an S. Me now then home. Let's see, is that one right? Woo! I need to look more carefully. Now. Where's the word now? Oh, there it is. Let's try dog. Dog. That was pretty easy. Oh, I bet me is going to be easy. Me. I'm rocking this out. His, their. Uh-oh. Do you see what I see? There's two words over here that start with T-H. So T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E. Oh, I'm good. R. Uh-oh, no, I'm not good. T-H-E-R-E. Am I good? Yep. Let's see. Yeah, and here's the last one then. Awesome. Thanks for playing with me and helping me, boys and girls. All right, now let's go to practice our sounds, our blends, L blends and R blends. And I'm just going to go right from one to the other between the L's and the R's. And I need you to do it with me. Ready? See if you can beat me. Boo, cool, fool, glue, pl, sl, brr, cr, dr, fr, gr, pr, tr. All right, this is a princess. Princess. What beginning sound do you hear in the word princess? Did you say pr? Because I heard that sound. And what two letters would we use to write the pr sound in princess? Yeah, it would be a PR. All right, let's practice some three-letter blends. Are you ready? Skr, spl, spr, squ, str. Okay, this is a sink. What final blend sound do you hear? So that's at the end. What blend sound do you hear at the end of sink? Ooh, I heard nk. What two letters would make that blend? I think it would be an NK. And then for, let's practice some more blends. Let's do the beginning ones and see if you can beat me. Sk, sk, sl, sm, sn, sp, st, sw. Now let's do the ending or final blends. Sk, sp, st, nd, ng, nt, nk. All right, this is a vault. Vault. Let's spell that word vault. Let's see, vault. Ready? V. Ooh, I know what that is. V-aw. Oh, we learned lots of spellings. Which one is it? I have to think about how that word looks. Here you go. Vault. What final sound did you hear there? Yep, I heard a t too. Very good. All right, some more digraphs. We're going to go over final digraphs or initial, maybe. K, ch, sh, th, w. All right, so we've learned lots about phonics today. I hope you guys have had a great time with me this week, and I look forward to seeing some videos of you guys reading our story. Or some pictures of your writing. That would be awesome too. All right, bye guys. Have a great day.